Hello students, now look here, we have to do the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Means we will have a relation between what? Zeros you know already, of a quadratic polynomial alpha and beta. Okay, so one part will be alpha beta and second is what is coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. There we will have a relation. So look here, this is a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic polynomial, and in this polynomial here coefficients you have to check. Means x square coefficient will be a, x square coefficient will be always a, x coefficient will be b, and constant is c. Always we will keep in mind that x square coefficient will be a, x coefficient will be b, and last the constant will be c. That you keep in mind. Now when we find the zeros, how we find that I already say you, alpha and beta you find. Okay, now relations will be, first relation is alpha plus beta. First relation is what is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. That is very important. Okay, so you have to learn that alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Second relation is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is c by a. This is very simple. Okay, this very simple formula you have alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a. So very simple formula we have. So you can learn also. And with this two formula you have to learn alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. This already you done, you have to learn again. Alpha plus beta cube equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta and bracket alpha plus beta. This formula also to learn, this already you have, so you have to learn only. Now where we will use this relationship, look here, we have one question, 2x square plus 3x plus 5 has zeros alpha and beta, alpha beta 0 you have, and you have to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So look here, if we have to find out the middle term splitting, you cannot do. If you can find the middle splitting and then you find alpha, then you find beta, then you do add, then you do multiplication, that is very long process will be. So you will not use that method. A very simple method we have here that we will use. So look here, what is here a? Can you say me what is a? Yes, a is 2. A is 2. What is b? B is 3. This is 3. And c is 5. C is 5. Now what you have to find? Alpha plus beta and alpha into beta you find. Alpha plus beta will be minus b by a. So minus b means minus 3. A is 2. So alpha plus beta minus 3 by 2 you get. Direct you get. Now alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a. And c is what is 5 and a is 2. Look here, these are the answers. So this is very simple. Hope you understand this part. Look here all of you, here given 2x square minus 3x plus 1 has zeros alpha and beta. Then you have to find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. So how we will find this? Look here, first of all in this question, what is here a? A is here 2. What is b? B is minus 3 and c is 1. First you find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Minus b means minus 3 upon 2. A is 2. So minus minus plus 3 by 2 you get. Alpha into beta is c by a. C is 1 and a is 2. 1 by 2 you get. Now you have to find alpha square plus beta square. So you use the formula alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. This formula you will use here. Alpha plus beta you know already 3 by 2, so you can write here 3 by 2 full square equal to alpha square plus beta square, that we have to find. Okay, now 2 alpha into beta, that is 1 by 2 you have, 2 you can cancel. 3 square is 3 9 by 4, and this 1 you transfer in the left hand side, minus 1 equal to alpha square plus beta square. So look here, you take LCM, LCM is 4, 9 minus 4 equal to alpha square plus beta square. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 by 4 you get. 5 by 4 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. This is the answer. Second, one more thing we have to find, alpha cube plus beta cube. So alpha plus beta cube formula I given you, alpha cube plus beta cube plus 2 alpha plus 3 alpha beta and alpha plus beta. This formula I given you. Here look here, alpha plus beta we already find, alpha plus beta we find 3 by 2, so you can put here 3 by 2 whole square, and alpha cube beta cube that we have to find, so you keep in bracket, plus 3 alpha into beta what we have, 1 by 2, so you can put here 1 by 2, and alpha plus beta is 3 by 2, you put here 3 by 2. Now you calculate 3 3 cube we have to do, 3 by 2 power 3 means 3 times, 3 3 9, 9 3 27, and 2 2 4, 4 2 8, so 8 you write, and plus look here equal to alpha cube plus beta cube, and remaining is 3 3 9, 9 by 4 is you get here. So 9 by 4 you transfer in left hand side, so 27 by 8 minus 9 by 4 equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. You take here LCM, LCM is 8, 27 minus 4 to the 8 means 9 to the 18, 27 minus 18 you do, 27 minus 18 is 9, 9 by 8 you get alpha cube plus beta cube. So look here this question is given to you and you cannot find the middle term splitting, you need not to do any part, direct you can do 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is given to you, and you have to find alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha square plus beta square. You can use this formula and you can find, need not to find separately, middle term splitting need not to do. Okay, and if you do the middle term splitting and then you find alpha and beta and you put in here alpha cube and beta cube, then also you get the same answer. So if you want you are free to do any method, and here you can find the alpha and beta, then you can find, otherwise if you sometime you cannot find, okay, that time you can use this method. So hope you understand this.